मेरा भी एक प्रश्न ये भी था कि जैसे
सिर्फ आप दोनों? हाँ, थैंक यू।
कि जैसे रात को आप मेकअप उतार के फिर अपना मॉइस्चराइजिंग और ये सब करते हैं, लेकिन फिट केयर भी कर पाती हैं क्या? क्योंकि लोग ब्यूटी के लिए हमेशा चेहरे को ही सुंदर बनाते हैं, पाँव को ध्यान ही नहीं देते। तो आप वो कर पाती हैं कुछ डेली रेगुलर नाइट में, जैसे आप हाँ कुछ भी
रात के लिए? हाँ, सिर्फ
नाइट में जैसे आप मेकअप पूरे दिन के बाद में एक ब्यूटी का जैसे फेस के लिए होता है, तो पैर के लिए कुछ है क्या?
Well, you know, I think for me it's the most important thing is I follow a very, very simple routine. And moisturizing is very important. We have to remove our makeup. We have to be very specific about removing our makeup at night. But I think for anyone, even if you're someone who doesn't wear makeup, it's important to remove all the pollution that gets on your face. So moisturizing is very important. Actually, the Shawls Velvet Smooth Express Putty actually even comes with a moisturizer that's really amazing because it's specifically designed and for the feet and to moisturize the skin over there, which gets very dry. But we all think, you know, living here in a very kind of exotic climate, we don't have to worry about moisturizing because it can be quite humid. But moisturizing is very important, and keeping your face clean is also very, very important.
Jacqueline here. What is the one thing which you are more conscious about? Is it your makeup, your footwear, or exactly what is the one thing which you are most conscious about?
Foot care is very important because you know, we are always either in some open toe kind of sandals or we're in pumps, but that freedom to kind of know that you can wear whatever, any shoe that you want, any style of shoe that you want to wear is very important. And it's your presentation, you know, so people do notice these things and you have to be aware of it. So presentation to me is very important. Being hygienic is very important. And you know, the foot care hygiene is also extremely important. So yeah, that is something that needs maintenance, but it's definitely worth it. But so I think we need to realize that taking care of ourselves and being presentable is very important.
Hello.
Hi. Midday. I mean, it is important to give your feet a break and a rest, but sometimes we don't have a choice. So, you know, I mean, for us, I'm not very tall, so I love wearing heels because it gives me height. But I mean, so like I'm saying, from morning till night, I mean, we go back for Roy promotions after this, and I know I'm going to be in heels till at least midnight. And there's not really much you can do to avoid it. You know, if that's your look, and even when you're shooting, sometimes when we're shooting, we are standing the entire time. So actually, no, that, you know, unless you're on a vacation and you know, you've decided just to go on some beach and wear chappals all day, that's amazing. But that's like a luxury that I don't think we have.
Jacqueline, यहाँ आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि एक्टिंग, डांस, जैसे आपने बताया कि हेल्थ के बारे में कॉन्शियस रहना, डाइट के बारे में कॉन्शियस रहना, इसके अलावा भी अगर एक्टिंग की बात करेंगे तो एक्टिंग के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी है? जैसे आप हमेशा हम बात करते हैं, इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, तो आप इंग्लिश में जवाब देती है, तो हिंदी में आप हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम करती है, तो कितना ये ज़रूरी है हिंदी आपको अच्छी तरह से बात करना, या फिल्मों में, या फिर डबिंग से काम चला लेती है हमेशा?
इसके बाद ना मैं डबिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ और कम से कम मैं 20 दिन के लिए डबिंग के लिए लगता है, क्योंकि हाँ, मेरा हिंदी एक्चुअली एक प्रोसेस है, लर्निंग प्रोसेस है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि 2009 से सिर्फ सीख रही हूँ. एंड it's a beautiful process for me because I think now learning Hindi, मैं सबके साथ बात कर सकती हूँ, and communication is very, very important. अभी मैं Hindi films कर रही हूँ, and it helps me when I'm shooting because then I can be a little bit more spontaneous. But yeah, I do have to work on my diction. It is something, you know, I work with my Hindi teacher, whatever time of day. Hindi गाना भी गाती हूँ, and I'm learning it because it's more learning about a culture. I see it as learning about a culture more than just learning a language. I'm not doing it सिर्फ काम के लिए मैं नहीं करती हूँ actually, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत पसंद है actually भाषा सीखने के लिए. And ट्रस्ट मी, I'm really कोशिश करती हूँ, बहुत मेहनत करती हूँ कि मैं सब इंटरव्यूज़ में हिंदी में बात करूँगी. But for now, you have to forgive me. My diction is still pretty weak.
Wow, I thought you did a fab job just now. That was great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
pretty good. Thank you.
Full marks for making the effort. And you just said you don't have time to do anything else. And thank God, Shoal has given you back some time. So you
Yeah,
can go
exactly.
for
Thank you for
swimming.
saving me time, Charles. Now I don't have to worry about going to the spa. I have more time to learn Hindi. Actually.
There you go. Any other question? Last question. Anyone?
Career when you work with Salman, he's a superstar in the industry, and you work with him in Kick.
Yes.
So how does it help you in improving your career, being towards
Actually,
going upwards?
my Hindi improved so much after working with Salman, because he used to push me a lot, and in all the interviews that we would do, also in the promotions, he wouldn't allow me to speak in English. So that actually was a huge support and a huge push, and he's very inspiring, you know. And it was because of working with him, I feel that first of all my eyes opened. You know, I felt like I was relaunched in the industry again, and because he had been such a great support and so encouraging. You know, it was definitely a new beginning for me, and I have Salman a lot. I owe him a lot for that. Yeah,
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Jacqueline. Do you want a last round of photos with
Yes.
Jacqueline? And while they take those photos,
So today I am launching the Velvet Smooth Express pedicure for Shawls, and as a brand ambassador, I'm very, very proud to be here today to launch such a product because this is something that has come into my life and has been such a convenience for me now. You know, I've been able to take care of my feet on the go when really I have no time. Everyone knows that I see you guys every time. I see you every day actually now with Roy promotions happening and shooting happening. So this has been a fantastic product, and I know that this will be helping a lot of people.
रॉय की बात करें तो काफ़ी कम प्रमोशन किया जा रहा है.
कम प्रमोशंस नहीं किए हैं क्यों?
काफ़ी
हम रोज प्रमोट करते हैं और कुछ कह सकते हैं.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड में ऐसे कौन सी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं जिसके फूट आपको अच्छे लगते हैं?
फूट अच्छा लगता है. आई डोंट नो कि सोनम का पेट बहुत अच्छा है.
और किसे ये प्रोडक्ट देना चाहेंगे आप बॉलीवुड?
हाँ, किसको गिफ्ट देना चाहिए? अर्जुन रामपाल को, क्योंकि अर्जुन को पेडिक्योर्स बहुत पसंद है और हाइजीन और मेंटेनेंस बहुत मतलब बहुत पसंद है एंड संभालते हैं. तो आई वुड थिंक आई वुड गिव दिस टू अर्जुन बिकॉज आई नो ही वुड लव इट. I'm excited to be working with Varun Dhawan on, first of all, a Nadyadwala production because I'm back to working with Sajid Nadyadwala again, and that's always a great thing. But working with Varun will be a very fresh, fun experience for me, and of course, you know, I'll be working with John again, and you know, we've done 2 movies together in the past, so he's an amazing person and co-star to have. It'll actually be a very fun team, very fun group. Definitely lots of action, me back in action. I'm so excited about that. Haven't done action in a long time. फिटनेस टिप्स तो oh my God बहुत दिया है क्योंकि रोज़ जिम जाते हैं और जब हम शूटिंग के दौरान में I used to go to the gym as well, and you know, I used to just observe how much hard work goes into it. So yeah, it's I mean, you know, I think fitness is something that, you know, he inspires a lot of people to do, and it was good. Happy Republic Day. To all the viewers, happy Republic Day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, Jacqueline.